Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and selecting the chat or group where you'll share location. Once done, make sure Android grants WhatsApp location permission. Go to Settings Apps WhatsApp Permissions. Also enable device location and set mode to high accuracy so the pin is precise. You're now ready to begin the in-app steps. Don't waste time returning to settings later. Confirm permissions and GPS first so the next taps succeed without interruption. You tap the attach paperclip inside the chat and then select location. Next, decide between send your current location, a static pin versus share live location, which updates as you move for a chosen duration. If you pick live, select 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours so recipients see real-time movement, then add a comment if helpful. Make sure your phone stays connected. Live sharing needs active GPS and network to update the position accurately. You send the pin and confirm it appears in the conversation. Recipients tap the map to get directions. Once done, you can stop live sharing anytime from the live location message or the chat's contact info. Tap Stop Sharing to end it. If the pin is inaccurate or won't send, toggle GPS off and on, restart WhatsApp, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh. If problems persist, check Android app permissions again and reboot the phone to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.